Hi guys, how are you? Nice to meet you again in my channel. So as you know, I love banknotes, I love also coins, and in this video I want to show you one of my favorite albums. In this albums I have only 200 values banknotes. Okay, 200 values banknotes. Okay, so let's dive into this topic. It's very interesting. Okay. So, 200 shekel, okay, from Israel. Very beautiful blue banknote from 2015. Okay, this is the current currency of Israel. I have a lot of these banknotes in uncirculated conditions. So, if you want this specific banknote in your collection, just write me, reach me out, and I will provide you with this very beautiful banknote. After that, I have 200 of zloty. It's 1988. This is past series. Okay, this is not circulated banknote, obviously. From Poland, very beautiful. 200 bolivares from Venezuela, very beautiful, but I think, excuse me, I think this banknote is not circulated already, because I think even it's from 2018, but I think they already issued a new banknote, a new series of bolivares digital, something like this. I don't know. I don't really know. I need to check it, but I think this is already previous series of bolivares banknotes from Venezuela. So again, 200 from Israel, 200 zloty from Poland, and 200 bolivares from Venezuela. Very beautiful banknotes. Next, I think, okay, this is 200 won from North Korea. I'm pretty sure, okay, this is North Korea. The year is 2006, and we have a star here. I'm pretty sure it's not Korea, it's North Korea, and it's won. Please write me in the comment below if am I right, am I not right. So please fix me. 200 rupees. 200 rupees from India. Very interesting orange banknote. Very interesting orange banknote with Mahatma Gandhi from India. Very beautiful. 200 ruble from Belarus. From Belarus, this is real. I know this is the current version, current series. I think this is also current series. Please, if you know, please write me below in comments so I will know about it. But this is really previous series. I think they issued two series after this, because it's right after USSR was like pew, and Belarus was established. I think this is the time. Okay, this was a long time ago. Okay, so 200 from North Korea, 200 rupees from India, and 200 Belarus. It's 1992, exactly when Belarus established as independent country. Okay. Next, 200 ruble from USSR. Okay, so this is 200 rubles from USSR, but this is issue of 1991. Okay, so it was like in the border of USSR was like crushed, and so this is a new issue, the last issue of USSR banknotes. Okay, because most of them most of Russian rubles was issued in 1961. Yeah. Okay, so this is from USSR. Lenin. Okay, so very beautiful banknote. 200 kyats from Myanmar. I think this is the old banknote. This is not current issue. Beautiful. Okay, again, same things like this. Ukraine, 200 coupon carbованців, okay? Same year, okay? Again, USSR was crushed, and the Ukrainian state was established, declared its independence, and they issued this banknote, very interesting, and so very small because, you know, first issue, first currency, like young state. So this is, I know, I know that like the state of this banknote is not really good, but I think in other album where I have like only Ukrainian currency, I have the better condition of this banknote. Okay, so again, it's like Kremlin. It's I think this is a red square from Russia, Myanmar, and this is from Kiev, 200 kupona karbovanців. Okay, so this is 200 hryvnia, 200 hryvnia. This is the last issue of Ukrainian currency. Very, very beautiful. Lesa Ukrainka, this is a pretty woman in this currency. If you want to just write me, if you want to talk about security features of these banknotes, they are very beautiful. I very like it, really like it. There is a lot of things to talk about these very beautiful banknotes. So if you don't have this banknote, this specific banknote in your collection, I really recommend you to take it and put it to your collection. So this is 200 hryvnia from Ukraine. The specific year, I think, is, okay, 219. Okay, so, but this is the last issue. Okay. After that, 200 rubles, okay, from Russia. Okay, this is all awesome, like a new banknote, okay, like everyone know a news. So after Russia was like took back the Crimea from Ukraine, they issued this banknote. We will not talk in politics in this video. 2017, very beautiful, very interesting banknote. I really like it. QR code. How many banknotes do you know with QR code? This is like very specific, very beautiful. Again, 200 rubles, okay, from Russia. This is the first issue. Again, Ukraine, Belarus. This is the first issue of independent Russia state. You see the year is 1993, 200 rubles. So very, very, very long time ago. Again, Kremlin is here. Okay, 200 of Brazil's Cruzeiros, yeah, 200 Brazil's currency. The interesting things with Brazil currency, they just don't put years of issue in their banknotes, so it's very hard to know what is the timeline. Nothing. Okay, I don't like. I don't know why they don't do it, but I don't like it. Again, so this is 200 Cruzeiros, okay, 200 Cruzeiros. So, you know, we can do a really like another video about what happens with Brazil currency, because sometimes they issue like a new series of currency every 2 years, something like this, okay? So, this is very interesting banknote. First of all, it was 200 Cruzados Novos, okay? And again, inflation and things like this, stuff like this. They put just a stamp, 200 Cruzeiros, and this was a new currency. Very interesting, beautiful banknote. After that, they issue a new one, 200 Cruzeiros, okay? You see here, Cruzados Novos. Here's a stamp of 200 Cruzeiros. This is 200 cruzeros. Okay, so another one. Okay, we come to the end almost. 1951, 200 lev from Bulgaria. 200 lev from Bulgaria. Very big banknote, very interesting banknote. I really like this banknote. You know, Bulgaria was like in the more closer to USSR, so you can see the star here and all other stuff. Very beautiful banknote and very big, so I like big banknotes. Okay, this is not the biggest one, but I like it. Republika Uzbekistan 200 som. Okay, from 1997. Again, after also Uzbekistan declared their independence. So this is, I think, the first issue of like a young state of Uzbekistan. Very beautiful. We have a tiger here. Okay, 200-year lev. We see like people doing something in the somewhere. So very beautiful banknotes. Okay, 200 Syrian pounds. Okay, I think this is the last issue of Syria banknotes. Very beautiful. 200 Syria pounds. Okay, very beautiful banknote. You can see here. Very, very beautiful. I think this is the last issue. And okay, very, very expensive banknote. 200 francs. Very expensive banknote. Very beautiful. I have another video about Swiss security features, Swiss franc security features. They are amazing. Okay, they are amazing. You should see this video. So very beautiful, very beautiful. And the last one, also expensive banknote is but also very, very big. As you can see, it's 200 euro. You know this banknote, but I like it also. So 200 euro, very, very beautiful euro banknote. I really like it, so I also have it in my album. So this, I have a lot of space. I know there is a lot of other banknotes that I want to see, that I want to have in this specific album, because, you know, I like it. So if you like it with me, like me, please subscribe to my channel. Please give a thumbs up for this specific video. If you have something that I don't have, please reach me out. Maybe we can, like, you know, we can exchange our banknotes, and you will feel better, I will feel better, and we will grow our collections. So have a nice day. See you in the next video. Bye bye.